In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create multiple choice payments in LearnWorlds, and stick around because I'll also share some alternatives that might be better suited to your needs. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is access your LearnWorlds dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the courses section. You'll see all the courses you've created. Go ahead and select the course where you want to add multiple choice payments. Next, head over to the Payments section within the course settings. From here, you'll be able to manage how you charge your students. Now, when creating a multiple choice payment option, you'll first need to enable payment plans if you haven't already. LearnWorlds lets you set up different payment structures, but for multiple choice payments, you need the flexibility of different options for students to choose from. The third thing is creating the actual payment options. You'll want to select the Create a Payment Plan option. This is where you'll define the different choices. For each choice, you'll specify how much the student needs to pay for each option. It's really intuitive, but you'll need to decide whether you want to set up a subscription or a one-time payment. The next thing is customizing the user flow. After setting the price points for each choice, you can decide which payment options are available depending on the course or the module. Let's say you have a basic option for one payment and a premium option for multiple payments. This customization allows your students to select the plan that fits their budget and needs. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind is the checkout process. LearnWorlds integrates with a range of payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. But when it comes to managing multiple choice payments, there's a slight hiccup. You'll have to manually set up the various payment options within the checkout process for each choice. One thing I've noticed is that while LearnWorlds does the job, it can feel a bit clunky when it comes to creating seamless multiple choice options for payments. The platform offers flexibility, but doesn't have the cleanest user experience when compared to some of its competitors. The fifth thing I want to mention is that LearnWorlds, although great for course creators, doesn't offer as much customization when it comes to advanced payment structures. If you need something more robust or easier to navigate, it might not be the best choice for you. But before you make a final decision, let me tell you about something important. At the end of this video, I'll share a better alternative that could make your payment setup much smoother. The video also mentioned that we have an exclusive and extended free trial for LearnWorlds through the link in the description below, giving you access to all its features without any risk. But here's the twist. I'll also recommend another platform that excels at what LearnWorlds struggles with, especially when it comes to the ease of managing multiple choice payments. That's right, with our link, you can get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So, stick around till the end to check that out.